This video I am going to discuss about current and drift velocity relation. So first see the diagram. We are taking the cylindrical conductor that is connected to the battery. What is happening? See, the cylindrical conductor having the cross sectional area A, and the electric field is moves in this direction, and the drift motion of the electrons which are moving opposite to the electric field, and the current is moving in the direction of electric field. That means electrons are opposite to the electric field, and the current also, the current direction and the motion of the electrons direction both are in opposite direction, and the distance length of these two is the L. This is the diagram. First take length of the conductor. What is the length of the conductor? Vd into T, delta T. How you got this formula? We know that velocity formula. Velocity equals to distance by time. Distance is nothing but length, the path length, right? So here also velocity formula equals to distance by time. We want the distance. Then how we can write velocity equals to distance by time? Then S equals to V into T. In the case of distance, here we are taking the length. So length equals to Vd into delta T from this. Next one, we can write the volume of portion is volume. In mass, you know the volume formula. Area into length, right? Area, already length we wrote here. What is the formula? Vd into delta T. So A Vd delta T, that is the volume of the portion. Next, third one, see number of free electrons in the volume. Number of, how many number of free electrons are there? So how much matter it is contained, we can call the mass in generally, right? So you know the formula for density. Density equals to mass by volume. Now we want the volume, right? Sorry, we want the mass, number of electrons you want. Then volume sent to this side became mass equals to density into volume. Here mass is nothing but number of free electrons. Then here we can write free electrons density into volume. From this formula I wrote here free electron density into volume. Already volume you know that how much A Vd delta T. So here write A Vd delta T. What is the free electron density here? N number of free electrons. So N. This is the length formula, delta Vd delta T, and this is the volume A into Vd delta T, and this is the formula for number of free electrons, N into A Vd delta T. Here N means number of electrons, A means area of portion, and velocity, drift velocity of the electrons, and in the time interval delta T. Now we can see the charge crossing this area in delta time. When this conductor is connected to the battery, the electrons are moving, opposite current is moving, right? So current is nothing but the charge will flow. Charge will be flow. Delta Q equals to A V D delta T into E. Charge of that, right? This is the charge. So that current formula I equals to delta Q by delta T. Q formula how much here? N A V D delta T into E. So write N A V D delta T into E by delta T. Delta T will cancel. So then final equation I equals to N into A into Vd into E. This is also we can write NEAVT. This is the relation between current I and drift velocity Vd.